Good evening, everyone. Starting the session. Good evening, Beta. Hello, Beta. How are you? Shall I start the session, please? Shall we start the session? Ready? Fine, Beta. How is the exams going on? Study-wise, everything okay? Yes. Good evening, Beta. Good evening. How are you? Yes. Let's start the session, please. Let's start the session. Now let's work. Today I'm going to start new chapter linear equation in two variables. Okay. So linear equation in two variables means it is exactly connected with two variables. So what and all are the two variables? We can take any two variables. Okay. We can take any two variables as x-axis and y-axis content. We are exactly associating with two variables. We are going to start that work only. Okay, beta, we are going to start like that only. Ready? Shall we start our work, please? Hmm? Shall we start our work, please? So now look at linear equation in two variables, class 9. That is, first work is we are going to go with some multiple choice questions to understand what is a linear equation. First, I'll explain what is a linear equation, and then I will be explaining how linear equation in two variables will be written. Okay. So linear equation in two variables. If somebody will be asking you linear equation in two variables, then we are going to write linear equation in two variables as. So generally we are writing linear equation in two variables as ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Understood? So this is exactly linear equation in two variables. So linear equation, we are going to understand some basic content related to linear equation in two variables. First is, it is representing a line, straight line. Understood? So linear equation. Linear equation means it is uh, why asking this question? Now, this is not the classes are not taken by phone beta. It is taken by a camera. Lighting is little problem, so only trying to adjust that one. Now look at it. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So now when we are writing linear equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, it is exactly representing a line. Okay, it is representing a line. What dimension beta? Two dimension. What dimension? Two dimension. And before this we have studied one very important point. Before this we have studied a very important point, that is coordinate. That we have understood solutions, we have understood factors. Okay. So we have studied solutions, we have studied factors, and there one more work we have done. So when we were studying that part, so one more thing we have done, we were taking that sections and we were understanding. So now please pay attention, please give your attendance. Ma'am is taking your attendance in the class. So now look at ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So when we are discussing about ax plus by plus c equal to 0, it is representing a straight line. Okay. Good evening, Bhavya. It is representing a straight line in two dimension. It is representing a straight line in two dimension. It is a linear format. Okay. So now I am going to explain which option shows. Now any equation can be written to you. Because what is a specific difference between an equation and an expression? Come with it, come fast. What is the difference between, say, what is the difference between an equation and an expression? Why? What is the difference between an equation and an expression? Switch off that side fan and switch on this side fan. There. Second one. Second, down. And this side. Correct. So we are going to understand this one. Tanisha, good evening, Vita. So now listen, I'm just starting and I'm explaining the points one by one, and I'm going to let you understand this one. Are you ready, Vita? Shall I start? Because I'm wanting all the students to join as fast as possible. So only I'm waiting for it. Now, can I start? Yes, this that chapter is exactly called as linear equation in two variables. So here two variables we are taking. What and all are the two variables, beta? X and y. And after that we are just representing. After that we are just closing. After that we are understanding ax, how to represent the linear equation. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Understood? And they are exactly going to represent a line. What they are going to represent? A line. Understood? So now we have to understand that when we are drawing a line, how many dimensions will be exactly needed. So for drawing, come here. For drawing down, don't from back to down. Yeah. So exactly we have to do this, and we will be understanding two axes are needed. Beta. One is x dash, and this one is y and y dash. And line can be drawn from any side. We can draw the line like this. We can draw the line like this. We can draw the line like this. Correct now? We can draw the line like this. So lines can be drawn, and these lines will be in linear form. Okay, Yuva, good evening, beta. Good evening, Yuva. So lines can be drawn like this. This is exactly considered as what, beta? Linear equation. What it is called as linear equation. A little bit disturbance was there. Now I am going to explain. When we are discussing about linear equation and expression, so what is the difference between an equation and expression? Anyone whose features are good, beta? Linear equation and expression. So now we are going to understand what is an equation and what is an expression. So first one, I am writing an equation. Whenever I am writing an equation, it will become Ex plus By equal to C. So in an equation, left side is always equal to right side. We must understand this one first. Equation is associated with like equal to sign will be there. Then it is called as what, beta? Equation. Understood? Equation will always have left side and right side. Equation. Hi, next topper. Bless you, beta. Just get. I don't need any phone. I need your scores. You get good scores. That is my biggest reward. Okay. I don't need to buy any phone. Phone is distraction, beta. Now look, if people like me in research field, we are totally in studies. We need to study. How much we are studying, that much is my asset. Beta. My asset is my knowledge. Phone is a distraction. Unwanted work I am not doing. ओहो कहाँ से हो बेटा एंड जो भी है डिटेल्स बताओ हाउ मच वर्क इज फ्रॉम माय साइड आई एम गोइंग टू सपोर्ट यू डोंट वरी जस्ट कांटेक्ट मी आई विल डेफिनेटली शेयर एंड आई विल डेफिनेटली सपोर्ट यू डोंट वरी shall I start beta now can I start teaching beta now listen we are going to do our work and I am going to explain this part so when we discuss about linear equation can be written as 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. Now this is a line. What we learned about it? This is a line. 100% I am going to support you beta. 100%. Now look here. 3x plus 4y plus 7 equal to 0. It is representing what beta? It is representing a line. So whenever we are drawing a line, we need two variables. How many variables we need? Two variables. How to draw a line, that also I will teach you. But here, one thing is very important. Equation means beta two expressions are equal. Yes, we can say that two expressions are equal and one or two variables are there. Now they are absolutely correct beta. One thing we must remember. Now children look at, can I write 3x plus 7y plus 8 and I am just writing like this. So this is not having any equal to. So when I write p of x, now I am just explaining what is expression and what is equation. So first one by one I am going to hit it. Now class started. So I am going to explain. You can do it beta. Study that. You will do it. Now look here. P of x is equal to 4x square plus 7x plus 3. So when we are writing like this 4x square plus 7x plus 3, it is considered as expression. What it is considered beta? It is considered as expression. Because we are writing p of x equal to a variable part is exactly written, This is considered as what, beta? This is considered as expression. What it is considered as? Expression. What it is considered as? Expression. Okay. This is considered as what, beta? Expression. Now, an expression will become an equation when we will equate it to 0. An expression, we will consider it as equation when we will equate it to 0. So now we are going to write like this: 4x square, 4x square plus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Now this will become an equation. Did you understood? Now this part will become an equation. Understood? So what is the difference between an equation and expression? P of x is equal to 4x square plus 7x plus 3. This is expression. When the same expression will become equal to 0, it will get converted into equation. It will get converted into what, beta? Equation. So that's the basic difference. Yes, absolutely. So variables will be exactly new. You need to understand one thing. When we will be talking about variables, variables has to be like one variable also you can do, two variables. But one more thing you must remember. These are exactly called as terms. What it is called as? Terms. So how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 terms are there. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3 terms are there. Understood? So if only one term will be there, it will be called as monomial. If two terms are there, it is called as binomial. If three terms are there, what it is called as? Trinomial. So we are understanding the content. Absolutely correct, beta. So terms are written there. Terms are written there. One term, two term, or three term. So usually a linear equation can be represented with x and y variable. So it will have how many terms? 3. Check here. It can have 3 or 2 terms. Understood? No, expressions means it will not be showing two sides are equal. That you need to remember. Expression means, beta, it will not be showing that two sides are equal. But expression and equation. Equation means the expression will get equated to 0. The expression will get equated to 0. It will become equation. It will become what, beta? Equation. So now what we are going to understand. So what we are going to do is we are going to understand about equation and expression. My boss came, now he will answer. We were waiting for you. Come on. Now listen, beta. So equation and expression when we are writing, let's check this one out. How to write equation and expression. Okay. So now let's start this one. We have one equation. Can we convert it into linear equation? Our linear equation format is what, beta? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is format for linear equation. Understood? This is format for linear equation. How many terms are there? 1, 2 and 3. How many terms are there? 3 terms are there. Understood? So it is called as binomial, trinomial. What it is called as? Trinomial. But we know that it will equate and give you some values of x and y. Linear equation, what we learn? It is representing a straight line. 2 dimension or 3 dimension? 2 dimension. The linear equation in 2 variable will be there. It will be dealing with how many dimension? 2 dimension. The line will be drawn in 2 dimension. Absolutely correct. Now we are going to solve this question. Let's start this question, please. 5y. Come on, start solving. We have to present this in linear equation format. Our linear equation format is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now 5y minus 8x equal to 7x plus y minus 9. So this is an equation given to you. First we will solve this equation. How we will solve this equation, beta? 5y minus 8x equal to 7, and now this bracket is there, means 7 will be distributed both to x and y. So it will become what, beta? 7x plus 7y. Now the bracket is broken because 7 one time got multiplied to x, one time got multiplied to y. Now it will become minus 9. Now we can shift everything this side. So once this is shifting this side, it will become minus 8x will become plus, and plus 5y will become minus. Understood? So whenever any variable or any constant is shifting from left to right or right to left, there will always be a change of sign. There will always be what? A change of sign. Very good. Let's see what is the answer. You can see see the answer in the option now. So I am shifting 7x minus 8x because 8x shifted there, it will become plus. Now here plus 7 by, this is shifting this side, it will become minus 5 by, and then minus 9 equal to 0. So 7x plus 8x will become how much? 15x. Understood? After that, 7 by minus 5 by. Which one is a bigger number? 7 and 7 is giving 5. So how much is left? Plus 2y. Absolute. And now what is left? Minus 9. So minus 9 equal to 0. Anything we can take common? Nothing we can take common. Which option it is fitting? C. So our answer is C. I hope you might have understood this one better, how to solve these type of questions. Did you got this point? Please say. So this is exactly the way of solving. Are you ready, everyone? Everyone noted? Silly care. If you are not noting also, this question, this video will be there in your group for 1 week. After that only it will be removed. Okay? So for 1 week, trinomial is absolutely better. Go and switch live button so that you will answer live, because your answers are coming late. Okay. So if that red button is on, means you are live, you are with my speed. Now this is over, better. Shall we go for the next one, please? Now we will go for next question. Get ready, children. And next question is this. Come on, and your time starts now.
Option B.
CBSE 2014 question. CBSE 2014 question, children. Can you solve? Please.
Option B.
Option.
5x plus 8y plus 0 is equal to 0.
Very good. Let's see. Beta, it is 5x minus 8y equal to, 5x equal to minus 8y was given. Now we will shift this one this side. What it will become? 5x plus 8y. There is no constant equal to 0. So they told us to write in the format. Yes, very good. Our format is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So ax is written as 5x. By is written as 8y, but c is not there. So what is our c? Our c is 0. Our c is what? 0. Absolutely correct. Our c is 0. I hope everybody understood this one. Did not? Is it understandable now? Is it clear? Shall we go for the next question, Beta Kanish? Now we will go for the next question, and your time starts now. We will start solving the question. Absolutely correct, Beta. Shall we start solving the question? If we will take minus outside common, it will come 15x plus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. 15x minus 2y minus 9 equal to 0. That's correct only. Come on, solve this question. The equation is what? So first we will solve and try to know what is this equation is about. Let's check this one out. Our equation is x plus 4, and here it is what, Beta? Minus, say, minus x square plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Now come on, we will solve. X into x will become x square plus 4x minus x square plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Plus x square and minus x square will get cancelled. So it is coming 4x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. Is it coming into this format, Beta? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Done. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Is it done for you or not? So it is what? Linear equation in two variable. Option is A. It is linear equation in two variable. I hope is it clear to you? Done. So this video you are going to note down. You will not note down. You need to note down, Beta. Then only we will be understanding. Now or afterwards you will note down. Tell me. Whichever is convenient, but you need to make notes, Beta. Then only we will be able to do work. Okay? Option is B, quadratic equation in two variable. No, it is not quadratic equation in two variable. It is linear equation in two variables. Okay? We'll go for the next question, Beta. Now shall we start the second question? Our second question is this one. Come on, solve and then analyze and say. Is it linear equation and quadratic equation? So it is totally in your hand. The question is in your hand. Come on, start solving. Start solving. It is totally in your hand. Come on, start solving. Come on, you can do it. The
Variable, two variable.
huh?
Two variable.
Linear equation in two variable. After solving, we will say if it will get cancelled means linear equation is there or some other thing is there, how we will come to know. So first we will solve x plus 2 minus x square plus y minus 3 minus y square equal to 0. X will multiply with x. What it will become? X square plus 2x minus x square plus y square minus 3y minus y square equal to 0. So plus x square minus x
Plus
square
y square minus y
plus
square.
y square minus y
Yes,
square
yes,
cancel.
yes, 0.
P 2x minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0. It is coming in the form
plus
of
by
ax plus by plus c equal to 0. It is what linear equation in two variable. Option A, absolutely correct. It is linear equation in two variable. Weber, it is the answer is B option. Beta here quadratic equation no. So only you need to solve and then you need to find. Otherwise, if you will not solve, no, beta this type of confusion. If you might have not solved means you will be saying wrong answer. So after solving only beta, option A is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. Very good. Well done, beta. Now we will solve the next question. Are you ready for the next question, please? So our question is this one. Can you go for it, please, beta? Express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0.
3x plus 4y minus y is equal to 0.
Very good, Beta. This question is very easy. I'm just moving out so that you can be able to see. Option B, now look at the previous question answer is correct only. Now I'm going for this question, Beta. We need to express this in the form of linear equation. So what we can do, Beta, here we can directly say this part is there 3x plus 4y equal to 5. To convert it into linear equation, what we are supposed to write, Beta? 3x plus 4y. Now I'm writing 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So now it is coming in the format ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Can you tell me what is the, if somebody will say you, okay, this is understandable, but if somebody will ask you this question, what is the value of a? Compare these two and tell me the value of a. Then what is the value of a, beta?
B.
Very good. What is the value of b?
4.
What is the constant here?
Minus 5.
Yes. So we will equate and say a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, and c equal to
Minus 5.
and c will be equal to.
Minus 5.
Okay, I'll just put it down because so that you can see. Now you are able to see question absolutely correct, Vaibhav. God bless you, beta. The answer is a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, and c equal to minus 6. Absolutely correct. And c is equal to, sorry, c equal to minus 5. Absolutely correct. Yes. Jagdishan, you are also absolutely correct, beta. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to minus 5. Now you are able to see now, beta. Now we will go for next question. Come on, children, you can do it. Solve this question, beta. I have already shown you this solution when you want to convert it into, but beta, I want you to convert it finally. This is one part of solution. This is one part of solution. Now another part of solution, I want you to finish fully and tell me the answer of A, B and C.
A is 3 and B is minus 8 by 3 and C is minus 6.
That I know. I want you to convert into A, B, C without any, like, I can solve like this also. Na? Is it possible for me to solve like this? Now let's check this one out. 3x equal to 8 by 3y plus 10 is there. Okay, so now first preliminary step I have shown to you that we will shift everything that side. So it will become 3x. This will shift this side, it will become minus 8 by 3y. This will shift will become minus 10 equal to 0. Now this is exactly in the format of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is a here, beta? 3. What is b here? Minus 8 by. What is c here? Minus 10. So this is one way of writing the answer. This is one way of writing the answer, beta. We can write the answer in one more way. We can take LCM also. We can take LCM. So like this I have written, I am removing this section and I am going to do one more work. What I will do is, this 3 will multiply with 3 up and 3 down. 8 is already having 3 down. 10 will multiply with 3 up and 3 down. Can we see everything is now in balance, beta? Now here it will become, don't cancel it. It is coming as 9 by 3x. How much it is coming, beta? 9x. 3 means we will take common. 9x minus 8y minus 30 by 3 equal to 0. Done. Now in this case, beta, what will become? This will go and multiply 9x minus 8y minus 30 equal to 0. If we will equate it with general equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, this is general linear equation in two variable. Absolutely correct, Vaibhav. Absolutely. Bless you, beta. It is absolutely correct. But after taking LCM, things will change. After taking LCM, is the thing changing? Yes. The number, constant number is now, coefficient of A will come as what, beta? 9. Coefficient of B is coming as minus 8. And the coefficient of C is coming as minus 30. Did you got my point, beta? Now the coefficients are changing. Now the coefficients is coming as 9, minus 8 and minus 30. 9 minus 8 and minus 30. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, say understood. Super, Bhavya. Now let's go for the next one, beta. Okay, Google. I think Sam. I think. Huh? Krupa.
Is that ID name is Krupa?
I'll see. Now, beta, go for the next question. Get ready for the next question. Simple question. Now convert this into linear format. How we can convert it into linear format solution I have already provided you. So here look at 5x equal to, when we are solving this type of questions, what we need to do is nothing big but 5y is equal to 10x minus 7. I'll do one thing, I will shift this one this side. Okay? So what it will become, beta? 10x minus 5y minus 7 equal to 0. Now if we will compare it with general equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the value of a? 10. What is the value of b? Minus 5. What is the value of c? Minus 7. Very good, very good. All the children have given perfect answer. That's exactly c as minus 7 is coming. Absolutely correct. Did you understood how to solve this question? Yes, absolutely correct. Beta. Can we go for the next question? This is easy. Now again, this is again easy question. So we will just skip this question. We'll go for the next one. This question is also easy. 9th question. We will learn to draw. Here this question also. So we will solve this question. The question given to you is. Now I am giving you one question. Solve this question. 3x by 7 equal to 5y by 11 plus 7. Come on, go for it. Convert it into linear equation. Minus 5. Absolutely correct, Baba. Now come on, beta, solve this question. 3x by 7 equal to 5y by 11 plus 7. Come on, go for it. X and Y variable are there, two variable is there. Question I have given my question beta. Yuva, I have given my question, so kindly solve this question beta.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am not.
What is the answer beta?
A is equal to 33, B is equal to minus 35.
What you said? Can you say again?
A is equal to 33,
A equal to 33,
B is equal to minus 35,
B equal to minus 35,
C is equal to minus 539.
minus
539.
539. So Amrish has given this answer. Children, let's see whether A is equal to 3 by 7. Okay. Amrish has just made it LCM and after that he got the value. Let's check whether keep typing the answer and send it up. Type the answer and send Google. Now let's see, type the answer and send it up. So first one we will shift everything one side. 3x by 7 minus 5y by 11 minus 7 equal to 0. So what we will do with a cross multiplication, 11 and 7 LCM will become 77. So here 11 will multiply with 3, it will become 33x. Now 5 will multiply with 7, 35y. Now 77 will multiply with 7. 7 7 49, 7 7 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. So it will become 539 equal to 0. Now this will multiply 33x minus 35y minus 539 equal to 0. Now we will compare it with general equation, which one? Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is the value of A coming? 33. What is the value of B coming? Minus 35. What is the value of C coming? Minus 539. Done? Bingo, Weber. Super. 3. We have also given a correct answer. Vaibhav Nemoli. Yes. Weber Patak 33 and 35 and minus 539. So beta minus 35. Yes, absolutely. Done, Bhavya. You need to type the answer and send beta. Till now the answers are coming very perfect from everyone. Let's see this one. Done, beta. Done. Now we will be understanding the next question. This question you will be able to do. If somebody will give you this question, now children, give me this answer. After that, I will tell you how to plot the graphs also. So now look here, we will understand this. If somebody will say 8x equal to 7, can you convert this into format, equation format? Come on, Bhavya, do it. 8x equal to 7. 8x equal to 7. Come on, do it.
8x plus 0 plus 1.
8x plus 0 plus 7. But here one thing is missing.
Why?
Yes. Now can you tell me the values, beta? First we will shift it this side.
8x minus 7.
Very good. 8x minus 7 equal to 0. Now beta here it will become 8x plus
y
0 into y minus 7 equal to 0. Now it is in the format of linear. Gokul, bingo beta. A 8, B 0, C minus 7. You give the answer. I think Anu, your speed is very low. You go for line. Okay, so ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A answer is coming as 8, B answer is coming as 0, C answer is coming as minus 7. Absolutely correct, very good. Absolutely correct. Child, are you there in the group? So this is exactly the answer. Understood? Shall we go for the next question, beta? Are we ready for the next question, children? Finish, understood this one? Shweta, understood beta? Smita? Very good. Bless you, beta. So now this answer you will solve now. 4y equal to. Now look at it. I am giving you. Okay. 4y is equal to 8 by 7. When this question is there, how to convert?
A is equal to 0, B is equal to 4, and C is equal to minus 8 by
7. So if we want, we can take LCM also and finish this part. Correct, Lavita? First, what we will do, we will shift it this side. So what it is coming? 4y minus 8 by 7 equal to 0. Take LCM 7 4s are 28 by minus 8y equal to 0. Correct? Because 28 by y, 7 is coming, 7 will go and multiply. We can take 8 also common, na? Or 4 common. We can take 4 also common, and we can write 4 common is 7y minus 2 equal to 0. 4 cannot be equal to 0. So 7y minus 2 equal to 0. So now we will write into the general equation 0 into x plus 7 into y minus 2 equal to 0. Come on, check this one out.
A 0, B 0, 7.
Super better. C equal to minus 2. So here A is coming as 0, B is coming as 7, and C will be equal to minus 2. And C will be coming what better? Equal to minus 2. I hope children understood this one. Come on, say quickly. Got this point? Come on everyone, say understood? Super. Vaibhav done, Gokul done, Anu done, Deva, Bhavya, very good, super. So, bit of what I did is little bit Western and generated, and then I solved. So, 4y is equal to 8 by 7. Okay, 4y is equal to 8 by 7. Shifted 8 by 7 this side. 28y minus 8 by 7 equal to 0. After that, 7 will go multiply by 0, it will become 0. This part 4, 7y minus 2 equal to 0. I have taken common bit. After this, it is coming 4, I have taken common from 28 and 8. It is coming 4 is not equal to 0. So, it is coming 7 by minus 2 equal to 0. And then solving becomes easy for us. I hope you might have understood this one. Now, come on, we'll go for the next one. These questions you will be able to handle now very easily. These questions will be able to handle. Already we have done. Okay, this is a short question and we will be solving this question. Now question is, I'm showing the question in screen. Can you see? Can you be able to read the question below? We have to form a linear equation. Huh? Yes, but first read the question. A rabbit covers y meter distance by walking, 10 meter distance in slow motion, and the remaining by x jumps.
From Y is 10 and X is 0 and C is 2.
Absolutely correct. Super, better, nice try.
Now, X is 0, A is 0, A is 0, B is 10 and C is 2.
Okay, let's check this one. Let's check this one out. Let's see what others are telling. How to make an equation better. Now look here. A rabbit covers y meter distance by walking. How many distance? Y meter by walking, x meter in slow motion, and the remaining
2 meters
by x jumps. Each jump contains 2 meters. Understood? Express this information in linear equation.
Then X will be into I think. And 2 into 8.
Beta y part, where is that Vaibhav? That was a very quick answer, but one time y part beta justify and say. We'll start solving. Okay. Walking. What is there in the question, beta? Walking is there, slow motion is there, and jumping is there. Correct now? Walking, slow motion, and jumping, and the entire journey is connected with that. Correct? So doubt is there, na beta? That's what I'm going to solve this. Gokul is telling 0, 10, and 2. Let's take this one out. Let's understand this one. How to go for
I am
this?
saying 2, 10
2, 10, and 2, 10, and 2. Let's check this one very nicely, beta. So rabbit is doing rabbit activity. Rabbit is jumping. After jumping, walking. Jumping y meter distance by walking. See, a rabbit covers y meters distance by walking, 10 meters in slow motion. Then it is going slow motion. And then remaining by after that slow motion and remaining by jumping. So, beta rabbit is doing all the 3 activities to cover some distance. Okay, all the 3 activities like jumping, slow motion, and Walking also is there, na? So rabbit cover, this is walking, slow motion and jumping. Now walking 10 meters, a rabbit covers y meter distance by walking. Y meter distance by walking, 10 meter in slow motion. Okay? And the remaining x jumps. How many jumps it is taking? X jumps. How many jumps it is taking, beta? X jumps. Absolutely correct. Now you people are correct. Now look at how many jumps it is taking, beta? Each jump is 2 meter. It is taking X jumps. Each jump is 2 meter. So then how much distance will be coming? See, remember this one, beta. Remember this one very nicely. Jump. See, walking is y meter. We are finding the total distance covered. Total distance walking by y meter, slow motion 10, and it is taking x jumps. But each jump is how much meter, beta? Yes, Sam. The question is, Sam. The question is, Sam has Sam came. The question is exactly, beta. Very simple, Sam. They are telling that a rabbit is covering some distance. Okay, beta. In that, Sam, what they are telling that y meter it is walking. So rabbit is normal walking. How much kilometers? Sorry, how much meters? Y meter. Okay, Sam. After that, it is moving slow motion 10. So beta walking and slow motion is y plus 10. It is total distance is y plus 10. But the rabbit is also jumping. But in this time of jumping, Vanakkam sir, in this time of jumping, so rabbit is walking also, slow motion also, and jumping also. So when it is jumping, how many jumps it is doing? X jumps it is doing. And each jump, how much it is taking? 2 meter covering. So if rabbit is jumping, each jump is 2 meter. So one jump is 2 meter, 10 jumps will be how much? 20 meters. Understood? But here it is not telling 10 jumps. They are telling X number of jumps. How many jumps? X number of jumps. So if X number of jumps, it is exactly jumping. So here how much it will become, beta? 2x. How much jump it is jumping, beta? 2x. So total time is coming as how much? So now jumping, slow motion, walking. Together distance is coming as how much, beta? Together, if I have to find the distance, it will become 2x plus y plus 10. 2x plus y plus 10. Linear equation if I have to form linear equation, it will become equal to 0. So what is A? What is A? 2. What is B?
0.
What is B? 1. What is C? 10. Understood? A 2, B 1 and C 10. I hope you might have understood. Come on, say. Did you got this point? Done or not? A2, B1, C10. Absolutely correct, Vaibhav. So this is exactly the answer. 2x plus y plus 10 equal to 0. I hope you might have understood how to write the equations. Is it tough or easy, beta? Easy. So total distance will come like that. So we need to go for the next question. Wow, super. Our next question is, the cost of a pen is 3 times the cost of a pencil. Okay? The cost of a pen is 3 times the cost of a pencil. So first we will take the cost of pen as X rupees. And what is the cost of pencil as Y rupees? Come on, come on, come on.
Ma'am, y is 3.
Y is?
B is 3.
Okay. Let's frame the equation first. Can we frame the equation? Huh? A is 2. Now let's see, beta. Let's go for it. The cost of pen is 3 times the cost of pencil. Let the cost of pen be rupees X let the cost of pencil be rupees 5. Done na beta? So what is the cost of pen?
Yes.
What is the cost of pencil?
3.
Understood. What is the cost of pen? X. What is the cost of pencil?
Y.
Y. So now what they tell you, the cost of pen is 3 times the cost of pencil. Cost of pen is 3 times the cost of pencil.
X is 1, Y is B. A is 1, B is 3.
After that, you have to shift this one this side. So x minus 3y plus 0 equal to 0. So what is now tell? Now tell beta.
1 minus A is 0.
Very good. So here x will be equal to 1, x equal to a equal to 1. So if we compare it with general equation, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is a beta?
1
1. What is b?
minus A.
What is c?
0.
Done? Understood? Very good. Now we'll go for the next question. Till here, linear equation is tough or easy, beta? Is it very tough? No. Clear cut, we have understood ax plus by plus c. We learned how to make it, and if any doubt will be there, video will be available to you. Correct? And you can see it and learn. Weber, a equal to 1, b equal to, beta b check one time Weber. One time we check b beta. Understood, Baba? Easy. Okay, beta. Super. So now we will go for next question, children. Let's go for the next word question. Very good. Now go for this. Come on, go for it, please. Tanisha, Yuvashri, your answers are not coming.
A is 1, B is 1, and C is 10.
Okay, let's check this one out. The age of x is more than the age of y by 10 years. Super. The age of x, is more than the age of y by 10 years. So in y, if we will add 10 years, then it will become the age of x. We must remember like this. So beta in y, if we are adding 10, because I am 10 years elder than you. Understood? My age is x. What will be your age? Y plus 10. Correct? If you are y and I am exactly, your age is, my current age is x, your current age is, we don't know. So we are telling that I am 10 years of y, more than y. I am 10 years more than your current age. So whatever your current age is, in that I have to add 10. Then only your age and my age will become equal. Understood, Nabita? So here 10 I am going to add. So when I am adding 10, now look at what is the equation? X minus y minus 10 equal to 0. If we compare it with general equation, ax
1
plus
minus
y
1
plus c,
minus 10.
so here x will be equal to what? A equal to
1, and Y is equal to B is equal to minus 1, and C is equal to minus 1.
b equal to minus 1 and c equal to minus 10. I hope children you might have understood this one. Come on, say a is equal to 1, b equal to minus 1 and c will be equal. Absolutely correct, Gokul. I hope the session is very, very helpful for everyone. Come on, say, is it very, very important, beta? Okay, don't forget to put thumbs up. You just press the like button, beta. Then it will be a encouragement for us. We have to put the like button. Then only it will be exactly going to. Then, beta, we will go for the next one. Ready? Okay, this is a good question. Shall we go for this question, beta? Is it visible fully? Children, see. A number, when a number is divided by another number, the quotient and remainder obtained are 9 and 1 respectively. express this information in linear equation. Okay? Tanisha, you have to press the like button. Ah, thank you. But you have to press the like button. Okay. Thumbs up button is there, and then you have to press. Okay, can we take a number is divided, so let x be divided by y. Okay, let x be divided by y. Now, beta, in this type questions, now what we are going to do, check this one out, beta. What in this type of questions we are doing? First, check this one out. What we are doing in these type of questions, beta. So let x be divided by y. So that means what, beta? X will be divided by y. Now we are going to write it in a more in easiest format and most understandable format. Now what we will do, beta? X is divided by y. What is the question given, beta? Which side question given is what, beta? What is question? Question is 9 and remainder is 1. Then now let's see how we are writing the formula. We are writing the formula. Our formula is dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. Okay. So what is our dividend? Dividend is the one which is divided. So x. What is the divisor? Y. What is the question? 9. And what is the remainder? 1. So with our equation, x equal to 9y plus 1. Shift everything this side. X equal to 9y plus 1. Come on, go for it, beta.
A is 1 and B is minus 10 and C is minus 1.
So it will become x minus 9 minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 9 minus 1 equal to 0. So if we are going to compare this, what answer is coming? So A will be what? If we are comparing x minus 9 minus 1 equal to 0, the general equation ax plus by plus c equal to general equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. What is A?
1.
What is B?
Minus 9.
What is C?
Minus 1.
Absolutely. Now check, children. What is A? 1. Yes, I am explaining better. See, look here, Vaibhav. See, one equation is very, very important. Please pay attention here and try and understand this question. Ganesh, why packing? Now look at it. One question is very, very important. I'll explain this one more time. See, beta, dividend is equal to, always the formula is written like this. Dividend, D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. Understood, beta? Dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. So when we are talking about dividend, the one which is getting divided. So which one is getting divided is x. Who is dividing it, beta? Y. And what is the question given in the question, beta? 9. And what is the remainder? Plus 1. So dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. So x is equal to 9y plus 1. X equal to 9y plus 1. Understood, Vaibhav? I hope everybody understood this one, beta. So here dividend is equal to divisor into question plus remainder. And beta, who is dividing whom? X is divided by y. So what is our y, beta? Y is divisor. Who is our dividend? X. Because x is getting divided by y. So x is equal to 9y plus 1. Got it? I hope everybody understood this one. Clear? Okay, this is the last question for today. Children, can you do it? Very good, Vaibhav. Bless you. So now look here. Is my way of teaching understandable to all of you? Are you all understanding how I am teaching? The sum of 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit is 88. First to understand, 2-digit numbers are there. How to represent a 2-digit number, beta? Always a 2-digit number can be written as, I am writing 73. How to write 73?
Understand.
70 plus 3. So what is in 7 is in tens place and 3 is in unit place. Correct? 7 is in, so if somebody will ask you, beta, 89, what you can write it as?
80 plus 9.
80 plus 9. Understood? So now if someone will write 79, 70 plus 9. So that means one digit is in unit place. Sorry, one digit is in unit place, one digit is in tens place. So we will write which one and which one. So
X to the 80.
let x be the
Unit digit.
unit digit.
And Y be tens digit.
Very good. And
Then you will split the 80.
y be the tens digit.
And then you will split the 80.
Y will become what, beta? Tens digit.
And then you will split the 80.
Vaibhav, huh?
You will split the 80.
88. That is sum of the two numbers. First understand this. So how to write the number? Y is in which position? Tens position. So y will multiply with
Yes.
10. Y is in tens position. So y will multiply with 10. And x is in unit position. What is our number? 10y plus x. So this is our number. But they are telling reversing the digit. Reversing the digit means y will take the tens place and tens will take the y place. So that means what? Now reversing. When you are reversing the digit, 10 will take, x will take tens digit and y will take unit digit. So now the number become what, beta? 10x plus y. See, when x is your unit digit, y is your tens digit. So y will multiply with 10. So what is our number? 10y plus x. But they are interchanging, like 79. Here 7 is what place? Tens place. If we reverse, 97. Now this is taken as tens place. How we will write this, beta? 90 plus 7. Here it is 70 plus 9. Did you understood this one? And when you add this together, that is 10y plus x plus 10x plus y, that is sum of these two. We are getting 88. So what it will become? X plus 10 will become 11x plus 11y is equal to 88. Take 11 common, x plus y is equal to 88. So x plus y is equal to 88 by 11, 8. So what is the answer coming? X plus y is equal to 8. So your equation is coming as x plus y is equal to 8. So it is coming finally x plus y is equal to 8. That is x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. What is A? 1. What is B? 1. What is C? Minus 6. I hope children understood. X square plus y square, ma'am, please. X square plus y square, you can do one thing, beta. See, look here, beta. X square plus y square factorization means you have to convert. Can you add it as 2xy and minus 2xy? So it will become x plus y whole square minus 2xy. We can write like this. We can write like this. Or if factorization x square minus y square is written. X square minus y square, it will become x plus y and x minus y. Understood? X plus y and x minus y. So that's it for today. Enjoy your day, beta. Bye.